What is going on, YouTube? This is Mumbles from Muddy Mumbles 31 channel again. Just here to talk about a few things like usual. Nothing much. Nothing much been going on with me. I checked out a new show on Netflix. You guys ought to check it out. It's pretty cool. It's called Z Nation. There's only about a season on there right now, but it was I've only seen about 3 or 4 episodes. I don't know how many there is in the season, but it's pretty cool. It definitely really interesting. And most things to do with zombies. I'm pretty much into it for the most part. Anything like that, World War Z, Walking Dead, Zombieland, all that stuff. I love that stuff at all. But yeah, it's been pretty calm up here. I haven't really heard anything new. Interesting stories to tell you about. Although, geez, tell you what, nothing against people driving whatever type of vehicle you drive, but I got stuck behind, throughout the course of the day yesterday, three different Toyota trucks, SUVs, going between 5 and 15 under. Holy cow. You need to pick that crap up. Take your thumb out of your butt and move. I mean, I'm not a slow driver at any means, but jeez, there was one, that Toyota SUV, Jesus. Thing was doing about 15 under and a 55. I was about to pull over and just wait for him to go a distance because I couldn't see him anymore. But yeah, it's been pretty good up here though. Freaking snowing today a little bit, spitting. 21st of March and it's still getting snow. Jeez. I don't know. Yep. Been alright though. I like it. Can't complain. But well, I can't really think of much else to talk about today. It's been a couple days since my last one, but it's been a little busy. Took a trip to Portland. Walked around down there the other day. Went to a couple different places. Stepped over to Cabela's. That's always cool. I like going there. Looked at a bunch of guns. They actually, there at Cabela's, in a case, I saw it, they actually had a Tommy gun with the round drum. Holy cow, is that cool. But I think it was worth about 4 or 5 grand. No, too much for me. But anyways, like usual, if you like it, subscribe. If not, it's cool. But this is Mumbles signing off.